Yeah. Hi guys. It's a new day and we're starting our day by going to look for what to eat. We're going to go and eat rice, ofaku and beans and fries or chai or whatever we see up gate. Okay, so come with us. Esther, come and say hi. Come through this way. Hi. Hi.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
So guys, we're back and we'll see you when we are eating. You guys, I was so hungry. I didn't even remember to video the face of the food, but just know that it's the same thing we have been eating for like the past 3 days. Ofaku, rice and beans. And I was so hungry. My food is already finished. Before I remembered, oh, I said I was going to see you guys when I'm eating. So please forgive me, okay? My brother is here, guys. My brother is here, so I'm here to welcome him and stuff. My brother came for an exam, something, but yeah, he's here. Hey, wait, tell them hi. Don't be rude. I've not ordered the theater, so that's the dinner that they used to do it. And they see me finish way.
The next morning.
What's that now? What is it now? Yes, I somehow. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another day. Yeah, today is Friday and we were supposed to have classes this morning, but they canceled the classes and Esther is leaving today for Enugu. Please come and say hi, annoying girl. Come and tell them hi. Nonsense. She sat down on my bed. My bed is laid. I don't like somebody sitting down on my laid bed before me. If I lay bed, you go launch it. So yeah, she's going back to Enugu today and Dara is over here. As we Dara is here and she wants to say hi. Hi people. Yeah, so we're just going to escort Esther to the park and it's too near for us to bike, Esther.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you go. Let you go.
That's how you're going to start. See, I'm forcing you. Alright guys, yeah, Emmanuel has finished writing his exam and he's on his way back to Aba. Yeah, so tell them bye. Tell them bye very well now. Alright, bye-bye. Safe journey. Love you.
3 hours later.
Hi guys, good evening. My room is currently empty. My brother has gone back home and Esther has gone back to her house, and my brother CJ is yet to resume. So yeah, I'm back to being alone, but anyways, that's fine. Yeah, I'm trying to loosen my hair. As you can see, I've loosened some parts, I've not loosened the other parts, but I'm trying to loosen my hair, guys. Yeah, me and Dara, we bought Mishai. Mishai's are inside here, and Dara went upstairs to go and boil water so that we can make tea, because my gas has finished, so I need to refill my gas tomorrow. I love this particular munchie flavor. Which munchie flavor is your favorite? I bought this one, and I bought this one as well. Yeah, this one is not that bad. This one is not that bad, so I bought it as well. And then I bought Pure Bliss strawberry. I did not know that they have brought out Pure Bliss strawberry, so I bought Pure Bliss strawberry. And I bought cakes. Yeah, if you know me, you know I'm a sucker for cakes. I love cakes so much, so I bought cakes. And yeah, that's basically all that is here. That's all that I bought. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Look at the amount of airtime I bought to upload a video tomorrow. I don't have soap. Oh, I said to come and take the one in the bathroom. You want to wash it, gone. You want to wash it, you wash it now. Take it, you wash it inside the bathroom. I forgot I was recording with my video. I forgot I was filming with my phone. I was looking for my phone.
This sweet?
Not really sweet, it's just
But like,
not really sweet, it's just there. When this egg is finished, it's not to do like half loaf.
yeah.
On normal day, if I'm not finish half loaf for bread, but the way is to finish this one.
The next morning.
Hello beautiful people, good morning. It is a beautiful Saturday morning over here, and yes, I did not take my bath last night. Oh my god, it was not intentional. I thought I'll be able to finish editing my video and then go and take my bath and wash my hair. Yeah, I loosened my hair yesterday like I told you guys, but then unfortunately I slept off while I was still editing the video, and that's how I woke up this morning, and I did not bath last night. It's not that bad, I beg. So yeah, I'll go and take my bath this morning, but before that I'll do Saturday chores, you know, sweep and mop and all that. I've already started sweeping before I remember to come and tell you guys good morning. So yeah, let's do today's vlog together, okay? Mwah. A grasshopper died here last night, and ants came to carry it for its burial. Or abi they came to eat it, I don't know. Last it be your own people that will finish you. I hate seeing a collection of insects at a place. It gives me goosebumps.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed.
Hi guys, I am now done with Saturday household chores. You can see that I'm sweating, so now is the right time for me to go and take my bath, wash my hair, and do all of those personal hygiene things, and also wash my toilets and my bathroom. So bye.
You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hi guys, I'm done taking my bath and washing my hair. Yes, and I'll just comb it, and I'm about to go out. We're about to go out and do a lot of Saturday things. We want to go and fix our nails. Me and Dara. When I'm saying we, it's me and Dara. So Dara is here. Please come in. Hello beautiful people, how you guys doing? Yeah, so we're going out together. We're going to the market and we're going to fix our nails, and I hope we still have time because it's already 2:30. Hi guys, we're about to go. We're on our way now. As you can see, we're on our way to the stairs, and this is our outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Alright guys, let's go right now. It's about to rain. Now the pose be this.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi guys, we are back from Upgate. We are back from Upgate. We are back from Upgate. You know what I'm saying? The guy we are back from Upgate as if we went to Lagos or Abuja. Yeah. It's just up gates in front of school gates. So yeah, we are back and we did our nails, and we want you guys to be the judge of whose nails are the prettiest.
Obviously going to be
It's mine. It's mine. So yeah, these are my nails, you guys. Can you see the symmetry, like the geometrical symmetry of my nails? Like they are so pretty. Like you guys judge both of us.
Yeah. This camera is not helping with teeth anymore.
Just judge from the camera. My own is better.
Dara, go Dara.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, yeah, we're about to cook. We are about to cook right now, and yeah, we're about to cook jollof rice and chicken. Can you stop this nonsense? We're about to cook jollof rice and chicken, and we'll take you guys along with us and all. Yeah, so hey, I go crazy, I go dance, I go break in my waist, in my head. You go scream, we go, we don't do na ha. I go crazy, it's no more now. I go crazy, I go dance, I go break in my waist, in my head. Hey. Shout out to Gucci. She's the one that sang Benzema. So that's the name of this song that we are vibing to in our brains. We are singing with our mouths. Anyways, yeah, this is us going upstairs to go and cook. But we are just energetic, so we decided to come on here and pop out the energy. Okay? Subscribe to Dara's Corner and like this video. Make sure you like it. Now. Let's go upstairs. Oh yeah.
Open your mouth.
See this one.
Forget it there now.
I beg, my subscribers are not longer throats.
They always want to eat my fruit.
Stop tempting my subscribers. Stop doing them. The subscribers have suffered in your hands. So.